Greetings, lovely GMA people. Cameron here with my feline overlords, transmitting from our undisclosed multiverse studio location. This video is number 2 in our scientific approach to Bebop Piano Improvisation series. Okay, everyone, so for round 2 of fun here, get out the honestly well-used Charlie Parker on book. And right here measures 5, 6, and 7. Here we have a couple of approach notes, and then we're in the key of A flat here, so there's our 2, and then we have outlined A, B flat minor 11, what I think our classical friends would call a rocket phrase here, or a rocket boom. And then outlining the upper partials or the extensions. Would this be a reverse rocket thing? Kind of looks like one of Elon's rockets. Just before there's a rapid disassembly. And then just arpeggio starting on the 3rd of the major 7 chord there. So this is what our phrases look like plugged into the changes of the first 16 measures of All the Things You Are. And this you can also download this link in the description. Just download it, no mas, no fuss. Okay, let's get to playing. Alright, this first minor 7 is still a throwaway. And looks like I got through the 2, the 5, and the 1. Just clammed on the 2. This major 7 chord, I just kind of play something that makes sense. The objective on this dominant is to always play the notes of a bebop dominant scale. And then for our purposes, whatever here on the 1 major 7. Alright, let's go to the scoreboard here for the first 8 measures. Here's the recording date. And 2 things we're looking at are lines of 2-5-1 in A flat, 21 possible correct notes. Got 20 on that run. And then we're also evaluating the G7, trying to get 8 notes of a bebop dominant scale in, and in this case, did it. Alright, so not bad for that run through. I think I missed 3 on that one. Alright, playing whatever on this major 7. Alright, let's go once again to our scoreboard. Here's our line. In this case, we have 2-5-1, E flat, and a D7 that we're going to try and get 8 notes of the bebop dominant scale over. And here's our date. So in this case, we have 21 possible. On this take, I got 18, minus 3 on that one. And then on the D7, that dominant chord, that 8 out of 8 on the applying the bebop dominant scale. Alright, so taking stock of what we have here on our blank, we got our sort of line, the things we're scoring, the amount possible in each one, and we've got our dates. Those are 2 weeks apart. That should have been a week, but life stuff happens. And then number correct, going from 8 to 20 and 8 to 18. That's not bad. All right, and so if you want a blank of this, you can go to the link in the description and pick one up. Just go get it. You don't have to sign up or anything. All right, enjoy. Okay, guys, just real quick. The reason I'm doing this series is because it's part of my skill set that I really want to make more solid and do that in a measurable fashion. And putting it together to present to you wonderful peeps really forces me to organize it and make it. It also lets me be the kind of teacher I wish I had back in the day. Alright, if this video provided some value to you, perhaps we've earned a subscription. That really helps the channel out. If you have anything to add or want to know, please leave a comment, and let's create a community here. Thanks. Okay, this is Cameron. Bye.